This is a quick look at the new A119 version 3 menu settings. The camera body is identical to the original A119 dashcam. Stop the recording and press the menu button to verify your firmware version. This is the initial version 1 release. I expect many things to change over this year. Suggest using the 14:4 30 frames per second resolution, since it's 16:9. Always use high bitrate for maximum detail. Suggest changing to 2-minute loop recording. Suggest MP4 standard format. I always leave exposure at 0. I also prefer wide dynamic range off, unless you need brighter images. Parking mode. This has 7 different options, which I will cover in another video. Low bitrate recording is continuous with sound. You now have the ability to adjust the sensitivity of the G sensor in parking mode. Plus, you now can adjust the visual motion detection sensitivity, which is excellent. Time-lapse recording can record a long trip multi-hour, and motion detection should not be used while driving or when parking mode is enabled. GPS is a great feature if you have the mount. Turn it on. I like setting my G sensor to low sensitivity. Audio recording can be controlled with the mic button. Boot delay is important for people with electric vehicles or diesel engines. Should probably set it to 10 seconds in those cases. Always remember to set your time zone after a firmware update. Hopefully there'll be more beep options. Always format new microSD cards, and do it every 2 months. The format warning, I would completely not use that feature. Default settings always after you perform an update. I like to add custom text on the right hand side. On the left hand side you can use this entry. Again, this is firmware version 1.00. The A119 version 3 has a new GPS module. It has been rewired to work better with the hardwire kit and offers advanced parking mode support. Thank you for watching.